I am coming to the cross. I am poor and weak and blind. I am counting all but dross. I shall full salvation find. I am trusting, Lord, in Thee, Blessed Lamb of Calvary. Humbly at Thy cross I bow. Save me, Jesus, save me now. Long my heart has sighed for Thee. Long has evil reigned within. Jesus, sweetly speak to me. I will cleanse you from all sin. I am trusting, Lord, in Thee, Blessed Lamb of Calvary. Humbly at Thy cross I bow. Save me, Jesus, save me now. Here I give of all to Thee, friends and time and earthly store, soul and body Thine to be, wholly Thine forevermore. I am trusting, Lord, in Thee, Blessed Lamb of Calvary. Humbly at Thy cross I bow. Save me, Jesus, save me now. In Thy promises I trust. Now I feel the blood applied. I am every whit made whole. Glory, glory.